What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Couple Caught Cashing Fake Checks from Sugar Daddy. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
All right, y'all wait right here. I'm going to talk to my partner. So, assuming you read the call.
I actually do.
Okay. Passing a forged check.
Okay.
White female in pink dress with a white Chevy pickup. They just spontaneously uttered that her sugar daddy gave her a check for $2,500 to buy a car. I haven't made contact with anybody inside. I want to keep stay 10-12.
Yep.
If you don't mind, just staying 10-12. All right, this is
Wait. Nah, I can't just roll past that. What type of car you getting for $2,500 nowadays? Man, even your winter beaters and your run down cars is at least $5,000. Damn.
for Versace. He's gonna hang out here with y'all while I go inside. Okay.
So she presented this item trying to cash it. When we called the account owner, he's in a rehab facility and he did not issue that item to her. He didn't sign it. This was another check that was presented. I don't know if maybe that guy out there is Matthew.
He is.
But this check was presented against the account and he did not issue that $800 to pick up garbage.
Okay. Y'all hop up for me. Put your cigarette down. Turn around.
What do I have? What?
Hands behind your back.
I'm being arrested.
You're both being detained.
Detained? What's wrong?
You're both being detained for the moment. I'm going to have some pointing questions for both of you. I don't want you going anywhere in the meantime, okay?
Relax.
I didn't do nothing.
I know you didn't. Relax. All right, put your wrists the way you want it.
All right. You stay 10-12 over here. I want to take him to your car and interview.
Okay.
All right.
What's going on?
I'll explain. Take a seat on the curb right there for me. All right. I got some questions for you, but because you're not free to go, I have to make you aware of your rights. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. I have these rights of mine, or you're okay talking to me right now. All right. So, let's start from the beginning. What brought y'all to the bank today?
She has to cash a check.
All right. Who is that check from?
Sugar Daddy?
You don't know his name?
No.
Okay.
Thomas, she keeps saying.
Have you ever received any payments from him?
Through that, I've worked for him before, yeah.
When was that?
Month and a half, maybe?
About a month and a half ago?
Something like that.
What did you do for him?
Just cleaned up the environment.
Okay. And how did he pay you for that work?
Yeah.
How did he pay you?
Same thing, check.
Check, and you brought it here to cash it?
No, I put it in my bank account.
Oh, so where's your bank? What bank do you have?
TD Bank.
TD Bank. Okay. And he wrote that check to you like you saw him fill the check out?
Yeah.
Okay. How much was that?
$800, I think.
Okay. Where's Thomas right now? You've never
At home, I would say.
At home? Okay. Did y'all pick up the check from him today? For her?
No,
No? When did he give her that check?
I'm not sure.
So she's had it.
For her birthday.
Okay. Her birthday is... When was her birthday again? You don't know?
So it was just a little while ago. The 18th, right here. The 18th or the 21st. I think.
All right.
Yeah, buddy, you got the right to remain silent, and you might want to take him up on that, okay? Because you talking in circles, man. You just sound guilty, to be honest.
So, here's the issue, right? She brought that check in today.
Okay.
It was flagged by the bank because she's not a...
Well, why?
I'm explaining it. All right, you gotta let me talk.
Fine.
It was flagged by the bank because A, she's not a customer. B, the signatures don't match his known signature. And C, he doesn't really write checks, ever. So they contacted the account holder who said he's currently in a hospital. He never gave her any money. He never gave her permission to use a checkbook. And that check is fraudulent.
And that's why you got the right to remain silent, because the guy said that he barely ever writes checks And you just put yourself in some whole other situation talking about, yeah, I grabbed a check from him the other day or a few weeks ago. I put it in my account. I seen him write it. And they wasn't even searching for your check, but guess what? After this investigation, they will be paying a visit to your bank.
So I spoke with him,
Okay.
and they presented me with a check in your name from April 20th. It said yard work on it. I contacted the account holder, which is the same guy. He also said the same thing about you. That check was never written by him.
We could ride over there, dude. I'll take you over to dude's house.
I know where he lives. He's not home. He's in the hospital, like I said. All right. The signatures between your check and hers match. They don't match any other signatures on his account for withdrawals or anything else.
Then why did they cash? Why did my check go through?
Because you cashed yours at your bank. It didn't get flagged immediately. All right.
So hold on a second. Hold on.
So
This dude that the Thomas. Why is he saying that he didn't write us a check?
you tell me. I don't know anything about this other than what I've just told you.
How the hell would I get the check?
You tell me. Again, I don't know. I'm telling you what I have, and I'm asking you questions.
I'm telling you what I have.
So you're telling me that he gave you that check on April 20th for doing yard work at his house?
At his farm, yes.
At his farm?
Yes.
Is that
It's like
in
a
Ocala
farm.
Estates, Little Mexico area?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. All right. I'll talk to him again. Yeah. Send on up. You just put you in my car for now?
What's wrong with this dude?
Come on. No, don't talk to her. Put you in my car for now so I can interview all separately. Keep everything on the up and up. I'm patting you down for weapons. Go to MC. All right. Like I told your friend over there, you're not currently under arrest, but you're not free to go. I have the questions for you. I have to make you waive your right before I ask you those questions. You have the right to remain silent. You have these rights of mine, or you can't talk to me right now. Okay. So, the account holder, what's his name?
The guy that I got the check from, he said his name was Thomas.
Thomas. How do you know Thomas?
How well do I know him?
How do you know him?
I slept with him and kind of sleep with him a little bit.
Okay.
I guess he's my sugar daddy.
Okay. Is that the extent of your relationship with him?
Yes.
All right. How long is that?
Now this, I believe. Now we finally get into some truth here, okay? I don't know about the other guy's story. He talking about he did some yard work and all that. Nah. I don't know about all that. But this, I believe. Listen, it probably did happen. You know what I'm saying? She's down on hard times. He wants some of that warm apple pie. You know, he trying to get into some of that. You know, he trying to get some guts. He's trying to get into some guts. And that, I believe. You know what I'm saying? Because a guy gonna fall for some. Listen, if a girl giving it out, a guy gonna fall for it. Now, hey, listen. If a girl is struggling, that's all they gotta do. You know, but no. But anyway, in all seriousness, though, I do actually, this story, she ain't even gotta say no more. I believe it. She got me. She got me. I believe it. He was trying to get some warm apple pie. This is my theory before we move on. It was an exchange, right? She give him some cookies. He give her some money. And the relationship probably went bad, or he probably got a girlfriend or something like that, or whatever the case may be. And he can't afford to be doing, the extracurricular activities supporting her lifestyle on the side. Now, I can be right, or I can be wrong. Let's continue and let's find out.
Relationship going on.
Probably like a month.
Okay.
Maybe.
So, how did you meet?
Just in
When did he give you that check?
my birthday, 21st.
21st. So,
That's the day you
9
wrote it.
days ago. Why did it take you 9 days?
I just, I don't have a car, so this is my ride.
All right, where's Thomas at currently?
I don't know.
You know, so you haven't seen him or spoke to him since that check was written? Okay. Has Matthew ever met Thomas?
I don't think so.
All right, do you and Matthew live together? What's the relationship between you and him?
It's my ex.
It's your ex. So, Thomas gave you that check on the 21st for what? For your birthday? For services rendered?
Not like, yeah, I guess.
Like sugar daddy type stuff?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's embarrassing.
$2,500 worth?
Well, I guess.
Has he paid you before?
Oh, that was the first time.
All right.
Listen, she said she got a high price tag on hers, boy. 2,500 worth. Okay. Listen, she said if I'm heading out there, if I'm putting myself out there, listen, I need them dollars, okay? But in all reality, you know, and she's probably lying, but this makes for good TV. This makes for a great video, okay? This is different, whatever. But yeah, she's probably lying because, like I said, or like the officer said earlier, only those 2 checks have that certain signature or whatever, and it doesn't match the rest of the checks that he actually writes. So, but it made for good TV. This made for a great video. Let's continue.
Gave you the check on the 21st. Posited it today. Has he ever paid?
Trying
Has he ever paid Matthew for anything?
to. Him?
Yeah.
No. Not that I know of. I mean, I hope not.
Matthew ever done any work for Thomas?
I think so.
When?
Right around my birthday.
Right around birthday.
I mean, I don't really know.
You remember what he did for Thomas?
I didn't go with him.
So, I'm just going to be upfront with you. Obviously, they called us because they thought the check was bad. You know, coming from a non-account holder,
Right.
from an account that never writes checks, because he doesn't. They looked at the, just listen to me talk.
Sorry.
They compared the signature on this check to past withdrawal slips.
Okay.
Signatures did not match. So they went ahead and contacted the account holder. He said he barely knows y'all. He said he's never written you any checks. He's never paid you for anything, and you don't have permission to write checks in his name. So that's where we're at.
I didn't write the check.
You did. So you saw him write the check?
Yeah, he gave it to me.
Okay. All right. You mind putting her in your car? Sure. For now.
And what can I call him to?
Put you in my car. I'm continuing my investigation. You're just detained right now.
So, what happens if the dude that's writing the check is not, it's actually the one that's fraud?
And then that'll be handled in court.
How? Who's going to investigate it?
The state.
So I become a victim of this whole thing?
Well, as of right now, you're my suspect, but
I didn't write the checks.
guess what? It doesn't matter that you wrote it. You're uttering a check that was forged.
Uttering it.
You're presenting it as if it was legitimate.
It was?
And that's what you can say in court. But as of right now, I have probable cause for your arrest for a forged check. So. All right, Miss Felicia, go ahead and step out. I'm going to transport both of y'all.
How did you become in a relationship with them? How did you?
I met him at the store.
At the store or just in the neighborhood? Can you
I
tell
met him at the store, and then because he lives in the neighborhood, that's where I see him.
Which store did you meet him at?
Always.
Publix, this one right here? How long ago was that? Shortly before your
Just
birthday?
right before my birthday, yeah.
It's already in my car. You take these off. Put them back there with your stuff, okay?
I'm about to grab those right thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Are you leaving the truck as it is? Whose wallet is it?
Man. She tried to go with putting that kitty cat on Front Street, man. $2,500 aged apple pie, man. A aged cat. You know, she's not a young, you know, she's not a young one. She's an old one. It's not like she, you know what I'm saying, 22, 23, 24, 25, 28. Ah. Whew. Fellas, y'all spending $2,500 on some aged apple pie? Let me know.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.